puri, and this is aloo something. This is what? This one? Chana masala, sambar, chutney with spicy, I don't know, very big idli. And this one. This is my colleague. And we both are having breakfast in Nepal. Finally, after 10,000 European layovers, I got an Asian layover and I'm so happy. Anyways, I got to eat now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in Kathmandu. This is my room and let me show you my room. I'm sure you guys have seen it in the other video, but again. This is the entrance, washroom, me, luggage, the famous sofa with the elephant thingy over here. And this is the bed with beautiful, I don't know, do you call it a painting or whatever? And guess what? My batchmate, Kabina, she was on my flight back home. It's her birthday in 2 days. And she puts up the idea in my head that we should go out. So we were supposed to go to this market called Tamil, but she is like, sorry, the view. She's like, we should go to this mountain. I forgot what is it called. In the next clip and all that I'm gonna put it. Pimple. Anyway, we are going to this mountain in which you sit in this cable car and go up. I just had breakfast and I had थोड़ा ज़्यादा, जिस वजह से मुझे थोड़ा नींद आ रहा है. I am gonna charge my phone right now, wash my stupid face, this whatever makeup, and then we will go to the mountains somewhere there. Not there, I mean to the mountains. इतनी थक चुकी हूँ मैं हो चुकी हूँ तैयार. जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हो, डार्क सर्कल्स की और पिंपल मार्क्स की कोई कमी नहीं है मेरे थोबड़े पर. Shit, like look at the dark circles. वैसे anyway, जो है वो है, देख लो. I'm just waiting for my friend Kabina to come and then we go together. She's stuck in traffic. I can't believe I did a whole night flight and I haven't slept and I'm going out. Well, I've done this before, but आज का कुछ प्लान नहीं था. ये औरत मेरे फ्लाइट पे आई. इस औरत को आज ही नेपाल आना था अपने घर और इस औरत ने मुझे मेरे फ्लाइट पे देख लिया. अब मुझे उसके साथ प्लान बनाना पड़ रहा है. Anyway, मैं बहुत टायर्ड फील कर रही हूँ. Anyway, धक्का मार मार के अपने आप को लेके जाऊंगी मैं. भूख तो नहीं लग रहा है, कुछ ज़्यादा खाना खा लिया. She's stuck in traffic. I think I'm gonna take a 15-20 minutes nap or something. Hi! ये रही औरत जो मुझे लेके जा रही है. और ये रही औरत की बहन. ये दोनों औरतें. आदमी किधर है? वो रहा आदमी. Where are we going?
Chandragiri.
What's your name?
Who is taking?
Her name is Kathmandu. We are going to Chandragiri. I just said my face looks like as if somebody punched me. I served 145 passengers. What do you expect? Huh? Our fancy car, हमारी गाड़ी आ चुकी है. हमारी Mercedes आ चुकी है. हमारी पार्टी होने वाली. Sports. Wow. Very nice. I need to show you guys something. What is this औरत, अधेड़ उम्र की औरत has this cover?
Look at the line. Ram. Line काटने line हो क्या?
You almost reached. Where are we going, by the way?
Chandragiri Hills.
And I don't know what to say.
Owner of this.
Nibbi chale.
Mother like this also.
I want to hold the rose and I want to click some cringe pictures and she's gonna click it for me. We are gonna go to the gondola.
Nepal, okay, Nepal.
We are in the gondola queue with Madame. Fake Nepali, asli Nepali.
Nepal.
Fake Nepali. Asli. After 10,000 years, we are finally here. I love this kid so much. I love this kid. This kid, you guys. I love this kid so much. Anyway, finally here. How do you feel? Getting started. Oh my god, hold on.
Don't mind.
We're finally here, it's okay. Look at my face, I look like... Look at this, look at the view. Oh. You have a lip color. It doesn't matter, it's fine.
It's so good.
I would put a filter.
Mommy, it's so
Fancy. Fancy, guys. Fancy. Look at her phone cover. Oh my god. Like,
Look at mine.
another bubble. 16-year-old children. Okay, look at the view. This is Kabina's plan to be here. Looks fancy. If we fall from here, we fall from here.
Down, then see.
Why would you say that?
Now
You know, he's
I'm just saying because this man said that.
he's regretting his
He's not even looking at the camera. What were you saying? What were you saying about
that it might stop or fall.
No! Oh my god. But yeah, amazing. Gonna record from here. Oh.
That resort is nice actually.
Which one? There's a resort?
Yeah.
There's a helipad as well.
Helipad.
How do you get to the resort? Drive up?
People walk there. Oh, there is a walking.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
walking trail.
What if they get a babbar share or something there? Katam, talas. Right, we are on top of whatever.
You wanna take picture? And Chandragiri.
We will take pictures in Chandragiri with the heart. It says I love Chandragiri Hills. So hot down and now it feels like less than 20. It's not cold but the weather is amazing. And I'm gonna show you guys a viewpoint from here. Look at that. It is beautiful. This one literally looks like a painting. Beautiful. That one looks like a painting. You're just trying to capture the view. Capture the view over there, but it just wouldn't capture panda face.
Except our face.
Yeah.
Today.
Who has polarized sunglasses?
Not me. No.
He wanna do the.
Why? She told me there is no walking, so I got this weird ass shoes.
It's like 5 minutes walk uphill.
No.
Message.
No.
The message.
And now it's not even walking, it's literally hiking. And these are not hiking shoes. These are bullshit shoes. It has heels. And I feel like I'm gonna lose the 2 kgs I gained in the aircraft after eating passenger rejected food.
You lose it after shitting also.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Locks, you make love, fake love promises over here. This woman is getting married. Make a promise over here. You will suck your future husband's blood for the rest of your life.
Suck it looks like something else.
Oh my god, shut up. Oh my god. Yeah, whatever. Bus. Fake. Fake love shit. What is that?
Dubai.
Dubai? Yeah. Very nice. You can do that shit over there, but no. We go to
Free fall actually.
There's a free fall over here. My life is already a free fall, it's fine.
Look at the cloud.
I'm gonna go to the Shiva temple over here and Nandi. So, yeah. had noodles, Pepsi, second Pepsi, butter. I think this is the last point. This is for the kids over there. And this is a beer garden over here. They're gonna have some beer. Not me and her because we are good girls. We just went to the mandir, that's why. And that's a zip line there. Guys. Cheers. A dog there. Hi, baby. Oh my god. So beautiful. Baby. We got a dog over here. That's Who is this? Who is this? Oh, what's your name? Chikuyu. Hungry. Are you hungry? we used to call it Kutti Mama. No. Eta. Not a dog. He's so cute. Which side you sit? Yeah. Sit, guys. Sit. We all are in. We're going back finally in the gondola. Exactly.
Why do Chinese get
Are done. Handsome, very handsome. We are done with gondola, and now we are going back to the hotel. At the rate of 1 to 10, how much sleepy are you?
me?
Yeah,
Maybe like 7?
I don't even know. I look like a.
She's dead.
I'm dead. I don't care anymore. आ चुकी हूँ मैं वापस. It was an amazing trip. End में इतना टॉयलेट लगा मुझे. And yeah, it was amazing. Kabina took us to this beautiful place जहाँ पे clouds नीचे आ रहे थे. I mean, I couldn't record a lot of things because camera में इतना कुछ record नहीं हो पाता है. So we enjoyed over there. They had a couple of beer since we went to the mandir, so I avoided it. And then avoided क्या पीने का मन भी नहीं था because आजकल ऐसा हो गया है कि पहले क्या होता था पी के अच्छा नींद आता था, लेकिन आजकल ऐसा हो गया है कि I wake up every hour, so it's not helping me to go to sleep or something like this. So इससे अच्छा है कि मैं ना ही पीऊँ. मुझे इस चीज़ की justify देनी नहीं चाहिए, but अब पीती हूँ तो बोलना चाहिए, like whatever जो है वो है. Anyway, अभी मैं आ चुकी हूँ. बाथरूम मैंने यूज़ कर लिया है. अब मैं सोच रही हूँ एक कप चाय वाय पी लेते हैं and then I'll see. It was amazing. मैं और भी टाइम बाहर रह सकती थी, लेकिन I wanted to use the toilet so bad. Anyway, now I'm gonna watch some videos and all that and go to sleep. And then maybe I will, I don't know, have breakfast tomorrow when I get up. I don't know. I'll see. Anyways, good night for now. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Suraj bahar aa chuka hai. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I have like half an hour to go down. So I'll just pack my bag. My bags are already packed and everything. And I'll just go down, check out, pay my bill. Kal raat ko maine biryani order ki thi. Bahut hi bakwas thi. I'm not gonna say अच्छी थी, बकवास थी, I swear. Salt नहीं था उसमें. Anyway, thank you so much if you watched till here. It was amazing. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये लेओवर मेरे बैचमेट के साथ, कबीना के साथ घूमी करके, बहुत सारा बकवास करके. And finally अब आज उठी हूँ तो डार्क सर्कल्स नहीं है. मेकअप की वजह से नहीं बोल रही हूँ, ऐसे ही नॉर्मली बोल रही हूँ. My face doesn't look punched anymore. Anyways, if you watched till here, thank you so much. I'm gonna leave my Insta ID somewhere over here. Please follow me on Instagram if you like, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and once again, thank you so much for watching this whole video, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care.